Hi friends, how are you? Today I am going to show how to make coupling in SolidWorks 2025. We'll learn it. First of all, open the SolidWorks software, then go to File and select New, select Part and select OK. Now go to select front plane and sketch. Now here select plane white. Okay. Now draw the circle from origin. Now give the circle dimension 100. Okay. Now go to again circle, draw from origin. Now give the dimension circle 50. Okay. Now go to feature and extrude. Now give the circle below. Now go to extrude here 160. Okay. Now go to draw here from mid plane. Okay. Now go to this plane and sketch. Now draw the rectangle here. Now select. Now give the dimension here. Give the value 5. Okay. Length is not matter. You can give here 60. Okay. Now go to this point, control origin point, and go to vertical. Okay. Now go to feature and select extrude cut. Now here select roll. Okay. Now go to again here this plane and sketch. Now draw the rectangle here to from mid state. Now give the below this rectangle 5. Now give the below this line 10. Okay. Now go to feature and select extrude cut. Now go to here select roll. Okay. Now go to front plane and sketch. Now draw the circle here. Now give the this circle dimension 100. Okay. Now go to draw the line to origin state. Now go to feature. Now again draw circle. Now go to trim, cut here. Okay. Now go to feature and extrude cut. Now go to extrude cut from mid plane. Give the below 5. Okay. Now go to isometric view. Now go to linear pattern. Now you can here show axis. Go to linear pattern. Now here select axis. Okay. Now go to feature and face. Now here select card. Now here give the value 40. Now go to here 40. Now go to again here direction 2. Now select again this axis. Now here select to change the direction here. Okay. Now again select here. Okay. Okay. Now go to select isometric view. Now here select plain white and shaded and select plain white. Now here undo the axis. Okay. Make our job. Thank you all everyone, share and like. If have any ask, you can write comment box. Our online class 1-to-1, you can join anywhere in the world. You can join physical class. Our physical class 10 student based system. You can learn online or offline, and you can learn online offline both system. Our course professionally, if you join two course, we will provide job for you, industry level professionally job. You can join Bangladesh popular mold company. Okay, thank you all everyone, share and like.